Okay, so this is walking in the entry. There's stairs going up. And here is the garage. It's a small 2-car. I don't think you could get 2 cars in there. But it is tall ceilings. Okay. So here's the living room. Real wood fireplace. Here's the laundry room. Here's the little bedroom. Closet back there. And then there's like a little walk-through Jack and Jill type bathroom. It's a really cool little shower. Let's see if we can... Oh, the top's cool. I was just standard. So, there's the neighbors. And this is out a bedroom window downstairs. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Nice bright. So just look down over the living room. Nice tall ceilings. Here's the kitchen. And there's the stairs to the loft. There's the back deck. That's a cool light. Okay, this room, I don't know if they're calling this the office or if this is the formal dining. This must be the office because but it does not have a door. Little storage cabinet right there. Okay, so if you go to the right to the left, it'll take you into a really large master bedroom. It's weird that there's 2 beds in here. And a fairly decent sized walk-in closet. Vaulted ceilings. So, there's the deck off the master. So, we get a little bit of mountain views through the trees. And that's the yard space. Okay, we're gonna go up to the loft now.